കാലാവസ്ഥാ വ്യതിയാനം വലിയ തോതിലുള്ള ആരോഗ്യ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ സൃഷ്ടിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഈ സമയത്ത് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട ആരോഗ്യ കാര്യങ്ങൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? പ്രൈം ഹെൽത്ത് കെയർ ഗ്രൂപ്പിലെ വിദഗ്ധ ഡോക്ടർ സംസാരിക്കുന്നു. ഹെൽത്ത് ടോക്ക്. Doctor, nowadays there is an unprecedented weather changes in the UAE. Do you think that because of this weather change, is there any health issues for the people?
Because of these rains and the cold climate, cold, dusty, foggy climate, we are seeing a lot of flu cases, which are the commonest symptoms for them are fever, which is very high grade, sore throat, then running nose, cough, and sometimes vomiting and diarrhea also. Kids are more prone to it, but we are seeing it a lot in adults also this time. So there are many viruses which lead to these symptoms, but the commonest one which are seeing these days is influenza. COVID is also still there, we have not got over it, but the symptoms have been relatively milder. Influenza, the symptoms what we are seeing is more. There is a vaccine for influenza which people are a bit hesitant in taking, but we all advise, all the physicians are advising to take the flu vaccine, which is usually done at the beginning of the winter season. So that prevents us from influenza. In influenza, we will see very high grade fever, which is same for adults as well as for kids. Sore throat, running nose, cough, cold may or may not, but usually there will be some mild symptoms, but fever will be there for sure. If you get these symptoms, a symptomatic treatment can be started at home with paracetamol or an anti-allergic, but if the fever doesn't subside, it is always better to consult a physician, a doctor, so that we can do an influenza test. And there are many other viruses also. There can be other reasons of the similar symptoms. So it's always better to consult a physician so that you can reach to a proper diagnosis and the treatment is on the right track.